I was making my son dinner and he's obsessed with these Danimal smoothies. And if you have a toddler, you know that they always try to drink it and it spills everywhere. So I didn't know that this wasn't common knowledge. But if you want to get these for your toddlers, because of course it has Paw Patrol and he wants everything that has Paw Patrol on it, you take a straw. So I get a big pack of straws from like the dollar store. You take the straw and all you do is you take it, you snip a little bit, you snip a little bit of the bottom off, and then you take it and you poke a hole in it, and it's like a little smoothie. So if you didn't know you could do this, this is a hack so your toddler doesn't try to like sip out of it and spill it all over the place. The more you know. This will solve all the spills, all the messes, all of the problems. Just use a straw. You're welcome.